Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be using this palette to recreate this look right here that I found on Pinterest. Now, if anyone knows who this young lady is, let me know so I can tag her. I also asked everyone on Instagram to let me know if they know who she is so I can tag her because obviously I'm recreating her look and I'd like to let her know how much I loved her makeup. So let me know down in the comment section if you know who she is. But basically, yeah, that's what we're going to be doing in this video. I will say I was super excited about getting this palette when I finally found it. But now that I have it, I don't really use it a lot, and I'm pretty sure it's because I'm not used to working with pressed pigments, because this is not an eyeshadow palette, this is a pressed pigment palette, so these colors are intense. And me personally, I like normal eyeshadows. Like, I like to be able to blend them out. These are so difficult to blend out, it's not even funny. And you have to use a dry base if you want to blend them out because they stick to a wet base. I actually had to do this look twice because the first time it was just a mess because I usually like to apply my eyeshadows on a wet base, but you cannot do that with these pressed pigment shadows. Anyway, I'm still gonna, I'm not gonna get rid of this palette just yet because this was my first time using it. So I think I'm gonna play around a little bit with it and see if I can, teach myself something, teach myself how to work with such highly pigmented shadows because they're beautiful colors. I just don't know how to work with them. So yeah, it was pretty much it was a long process to do this look. It's a super simple look if you know what you're doing as far as like knowing how to blend these shadows out, but since I didn't, it did take me a while. And I had to go into the Tammy Clark and Makeup Revolution collaboration palette, the Tropical Twilight palette, for a green to blend out the edges of this look because I couldn't get the green that's in this Norvina palette to blend out enough. It just was looking crazy, so I did have to go to an outside palette, and that's that green right there that you see along the edges. It's a little bit darker, but I use my foundation powder to kind of lighten it and warm it up. And then for the rest of my eye look, I just used the mini palette, and I just packed on the pigment, and that's pretty much it. And then at the end, I thought I was going to just use the glitters from the palette. The glitters in the palette are crap. I'm just going to put that out there. They are crap. It doesn't matter if you use a good glue or not, they're crap. So I did decide to use a Glam Goth Beauty glitter in the shade Moon Veil, and you'll see that at the end of the look. And I did use her Glam Goth Beauty Diamond Primer as well for the adhesive. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. Everything that I used will be listed down below in the description box, and I'll probably be editing my complexion video that I did with this look a little bit later, and that might be up right after this one. Maybe it'll be up in a week, who knows. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to let me know down in the comment section, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss any more content from me, and hit the videos that are going to be showing up on the end trailer because it really helps me out when you when you guys watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!
Will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in.